Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will talk about vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. In Nzema, vowel sounds, we call it Vawolo, Ɛnelɛ. Vawolo, Ɛnelɛ. Vowel in Nzema is Vawolo and sound is Ɛnelɛ. So bringing them together, you have Vawolo, Ɛnelɛ. In English, we have 5 vowels, but in Nzema, we have 7 vowels. That means we have 2 extra vowels in the Nzema alphabet. These 7 vowels are used every day in our writings. Yes, you can't write any word without a vowel. Sure. We will look at these 7 vowels, look at their sounds, and we will look at some examples. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. I'm taking it again. A, E, I, O, U. Looking at these 7 vowels, as you pronounce them, that's the sound that you are hearing. Yes, we use the same sounds to pronounce them. As in A, that is the sound. E, that is the sound. So in every word that you find these vowels, the sounds appear. But then among these 7 vowels, we have 2 of them having 2 sounds. Yes. Whilst the rest have single sounds or 1 sound, these 2 vowels have 2 sounds. And these vowels are E and O. E and O. Another sound for the vowel A is E. E. So you have E, you have E. And another sound for the vowel O is O. O. So you have O and you have O. In some words, you will see that the vowel sounds are different. In some words, you will see O. In some words, you will see O. In some words, you will see A. In some words, too, you will see E. So we will look at some examples of words that these sounds differ. Let's look at the A sound. A sound. As in ezukwa, that is money. Ezukwa. You see the A appearing as A? Yes. So ezukwa. The other sound in a word, you say sere. Sere. That means laugh. Sere. So you can see that the A sound appearing in ezukwa has now changed to A in a different word, that is sere, and it is laugh in English. Let's look at the other vowel sound. We have O, as in bole. Bole. In English, bole is called big or large. Bole. So you can see that it is sounding as O. And when you come to another word, we have borrow. Borrow. That is ball, either football, volleyball, handball, whatever. Ball. In Nzema, It is borrow. And you could see that the O sound is now sounding as O in this particular word, borrow.